Hari, where are we going?
I don't know. Wherever Sai Karan is taking me.
Hi guys, today we are going to a location. It's called Whispering Wall. If we talk from one end, we can hear from the other end. That's the uniqueness. Let's see. మా వీఆర్ ఎట్ విస్పరింగ్ వాల్. అంటే ఇది ఈ వాల్లో నువ్వు ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడితే, నువ్వు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏదైనా మాట్లాడితే అక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి వినిపిస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మాట్లాడు, నేను ఆ చివరి ఉంటా, ఆ చివరి ఉండి నువ్వు ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావో వింటా. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే,
చూద్దాం. నేను ఆ చివరికి వెళ్తా. నౌ ఐఎమ్ వాకింగ్ టు ద అదర్ కార్నర్. It's over there. Hello ma. Mummy hello antundi. Hi ma, hi, how are you? Ela unnavu ma?
Both of you have reached the other side of this wall.
Avunu, we both reached the other side of the wall and we can hear what you are saying.
Is it very clear what I'm speaking?
It's very 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 clear ma what you are speaking.
Bye, bye, bye.
గాయస్, ఇప్పుడు నా ఫ్రెండ్ ఆ చివరి నుంచి మాట్లాడబోతున్నాడు, నేను ఈ చివరి నుండి వినబోతున్నా.
హలో హలో హరి, హలో హరి.
Hi Sai Karan, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing? I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, I'm doing really well. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly.
Man, this is one of the amazing monuments that you've visited. It's really worth this trip.
Yeah, this is an amazing monument. Yes, it's worth it.
I know. Just wait a sec. I'll have to zoom in from my camera on
Yeah.
your end.
Yep, okay.
How far you're away from me.
Yeah.
The person who's talking with me is standing right at the other end. Here.
See, my friend is standing at the other end and I'm standing on this end. And I'm able to hear him.
This is really right, Karan. Goodbye.
All right, goodbye. How was the food?
Super fine.